Hi, I'm Dave Gowell, military veteran and CEO of RallyPoint, and I'm excited to talk to you about RallyPoint's proposal for the AFWERX Challenge. The problem we're solving is the constant attack on the well-being of airmen and their families. The mental, physical, social, spiritual, and financial struggles we endure while in uniform are significant, and there does not yet exist an intelligent platform that uses military, social, and professional data to actively assist Air Force leaders in understanding and addressing well-being issues in real time. Our solution is to use the RallyPoint online network, which already has 1.7 million military members and 6 million posts from our members about military life as this intelligent platform. We'll use machine learning with our existing data to report to the Air Force ongoing about what our members are sharing regarding well-being, and will provide actionable tools for Air Force leaders to get more information to guide airmen to useful resources in a digitally savvy manner. This solves the problem by starting with a proven platform already adopted by more than 200,000 airmen and families who share posts about every stage of their careers from recruitment to transition and beyond. This machine learning solution will help at the individual, community, and strategic dimensions of well-being. To see an example of how we use machine learning today to prevent suicide, the left side of the screen shows a user who posted publicly on RallyPoint after duty hours on June 30th. Within a quarter second of the post being made, our machine learning endpoint assessed the risk at 0.998, which is above our threshold of 0.8, indicating probable suicide risk. It took just 1 second for alerts to be sent to RallyPoint employees about the risk, and within about 5 minutes, an employee directly messaged this member and publicly shared mental health resources. It is important to note that our machine learning model used here increases total accuracy by 10% compared to the closest published models, indicating that we are not just doing machine learning, but we are doing it well, and we want to do it for broader well-being purposes with the Air Force, DoD, and other governmental partners. Now consider that our members discuss a broad range of well-being topics that span what the Department of Veteran Affairs identifies as all the moments that matter in a service member's journey from joining through transition and up until their death. Imagine applying the same machine learning process we shared for suicide, but expanding it to instances of risk related to all areas of well-being and to alert Air Force leadership about trends occurring throughout the force. We will also serve up Air Force approved messaging to our airmen in real time when they need it. Our solution tightly addresses the topic, and given our company mission, our existing level of adoption, and the fact that we only have one contract with the Air Force to perform suicide prevention machine learning work, there is much relevant work we can do immediately to support airmen well-being. This solution will help members like Annabelle, who shared this post about talking to a veteran who may be in crisis. The 41,000 views, 275 votes, and 62 comments are all from other service members, veterans, and family members that give you a glimpse into the data set we have to support this solution, which will support airmen well-being and therefore readiness. This solution will also make airmen feel their best interests are a priority for the Air Force, which we expect to increase retention. And all this is based on the RallyPoint platform, which was designed for military personnel and their families to talk to each other about the challenges of military life and how to overcome them. After all, nobody knows and cares more about your well-being than your wingman. Our solution is unique since we are the only online military-focused social and professional platform doing machine learning on such data today. Our existing underutilized data set includes 1.7 million military profiles like the one on the screen that are not yet being used optimally to support Air Force decision-making. You can also see from this image how we already infuse well-being-focused government messaging, in this case from the VA White House Task Force to End Veteran Suicide, within our member experience. The feasibility of our solution is validated by our existing platform's adoption and is a logical extension of the machine learning work we are doing to prevent suicide. We also already have a lot of data not yet used for this purpose, along with the ability to get more well-being data requested by the Air Force. Our company's viability is reinforced by our 8 years of supporting the military, our user adoption to date, and the tremendous team, board members, and advisors we have who have served at some of the highest levels of the DoD, VA, and private industry. We don't see scale to be an issue because we are already supporting 1.7 million members and leverage Amazon Web Services as a tech backbone that is widely used at scale in the public and private organizations. We also see this solution scaling well to other services in the DoD and other government agencies who support similar interests for the military, our veterans, and families. In summary, we believe our solution will improve all areas and dimensions of well-being required by the Air Force. We believe the work we've done to date, the data we've earned through the trust of our members, and our commitment to using that data for the best interest of our members and the Air Force makes us the right fit for the AFWERX Challenge. Thank you.